Oedden ni dod yma heddiw, sy'n ni cymryd pwynt, ond da ni wedi pwysio ymlaen a sgor y gol da yn y hanner cyntaf. Ella sy'n ni gallu sgor dim bach mwy. Oedd nhw'n tuff yn ail hanner, cos oedden nhw'n pwysio gyda nhw'n byd i golli, ond ni gyd sefyll fyny a cael y 3 pwynt yn diwedd.
Mae rai fi ofyn am y tywydd, am y gres. Pa mor anodd oedd ei ware mas na heddi, yn enwedig ar y cae yma?
Mae'n dda iawn i gael gweld coch na di, ond na, nathon ni gynnu dy dda. Efo drinks break hefyd, dim ond yna helpu pob. Tough conditions, ond da ni mor hapus i fynd atro ran efo'r 3 pwynt.
Andrew, give me your assessment of that one. A disappointing afternoon in terms of the result, but what did you learn from today?
Well, again, like we said to them at half-time and before the game, be brave. And I think we've done that second half. You know, when we play on the front foot and we get people in good areas, you know, I think we looked a good outfit today. You know, listen, we lack quality time in the final third, and we know that, and we know we've got players to return in those areas. So I think we've sort of put a stance out there. You know, we're going to be a team when we get everybody right and fit. We'll be a good side, I think.
I was going to ask, because Flint, they only had 2 shots on goal, one of them being the goal. So you think that was the difference today, just Ponty not having enough quality in the box?
It's this league and it's fine margins, and the young player will learn about in terms of his role on the set play, and he'll learn, you know, and that's what it's about, this level. But the fine margins, you switch off and they score. But like you said, we nullified them. I thought our shape was good, but we've just got to be braver and be a little bit better in the final third.